In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer on your Wix website. The footer is an essential part of your website, serving as a spot for links, contact information, and other important details that visitors can easily access from any page. Editing it in Wix is straightforward once you know the steps, and I'm here to guide you through the process, ensuring every detail shines just the way you want it. First, let's start by launching the Wix website editor. You'll want to log into your Wix account, and in your site dashboard, find and click on the button that says Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor interface, where you can make changes to your website. It's a powerful tool that offers a wide range of options for customization. Once the editor is up and running, direct your attention to the bottom of the page where the footer is located. Click on the footer section directly. This click will activate the editing options specifically for the footer, allowing you to make targeted changes without affecting other parts of your site. Seeing the footer highlighted affirms that you're ready for the next step. Inside the footer settings, the Quick Edit feature is your next destination. Click on the Quick Edit button to reveal a host of options to adjust the visuals and text within your footer. This feature is designed to make quick adjustments a breeze, letting you change text, fonts, colors, and more in a streamlined manner. Now that you're inside the Quick Edit menu, focus on updating the paragraph text. The footer often contains critical information such as contact details, disclaimers, or other notices that should be clear and accessible. Just click on the text area you wish to modify and type in your changes. Make sure the text is concise yet informative, creating a compelling message for your audience. After adjusting the text, there might be other elements such as links or icons that need your attention. To modify their settings, look for the Settings gear icon on these elements. Clicking on this will allow you to further tweak their individual properties, such as link destinations or icon styles, ensuring each element aligns with your overall site design. Next, head over to the Settings option, which will be available once you click on the elements. This is where you can dive into more detailed settings, such as accessibility options or visibility controls. Paying attention to these settings can enhance user experience, ensuring important information reaches your audience effectively. Finally, within the settings, you'll see an option specifically labeled Footer Settings. By clicking here, you can delve even deeper into unique footer customization. This includes background color changes, varying footer heights, or enabling features such as sticky footers, which keep your footer visible as users scroll through pages. Once you are satisfied with your changes, always remember to hit Publish, so the edits are live on your website. The changes you've just made to your footer will now provide a polished professional touch, offering visitors both aesthetic appeal and functionality.